How to prepare a traditional mate, or at least the way I do it traditionally. We will need yerba mate, mate again, but now the recipient, a straw, which is called bombilla, and in my case I use just a little bit of honey. We need also water at approximately 80 degrees. How do you know that if you don't have a kettle like this? You feel the therm and you put your hand here. If you can wait up till 8 till seconds until it's really hot, that's the temperature. Another way is to throw a little bit of water in your finger, and if it's a little bit hot, that's the point. Not much more, so beware, it shouldn't be boiling. Also, another way to see it is if you start to see little bubbles in the water, that's the perfect temperature. We're going to fill the mate 2/3 with yerba. This is approximately this way, a little bit more. Now we have to tap it, turn it upside down and shake it. We want for the dust to come to the upper part when we turn it around, but just 45 degrees, not more. As you can see now, we have a hole there, and this part which is going to be called the island later. I'll grab a knife to put a little bit of honey. I'll pour some water here, but this shouldn't be hot water. I'm going to do a mixture between this 80 degrees of water and just a bit of tap water. So this is like 50 degree water. Now we're going to pour the water here in this empty space, little by little, just a little bit until the yerba starts coming up. Then we're going to rest our mate. This is a personal technique in that 45 angle degree, so the yerba doesn't fall, and wait for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, now that 3 minutes passed, a little bit of theory before going to the 5 minutes. We want to keep it this way so that the dust is on the upper part, because that's where the flavor resides. So if you keep all the dust in the yerba for the first time, the first drink is going to be really strong, and then the later ons are going to be soft. And we want to create a perfect cushion of yerba humid there to receive the hot water. So now we're going to put the hot water for the first time here, again little by little, and now our mate is ready to, in Spanish this is called ensillar, where we put the bombilla or the straw here. We usually do this like tapping this and put it in the yerba like that. So as you can see now, the island and the yerba stays there. And now in this part, as this is probably at 50 degrees, this is not going to taste fine. So what I personally do is drink this and spit it. So I'll do that now. There we go. So now our mate is ready to drink it and try it for the first time.